Hey, this is Rasmin. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and I'm glad to be back with a new video. So this is my second craft video with a pine cone. In the last one I did make a crane, and this time I'm gonna make a cute Christmas tree to display on my desk. And if you like it, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's check what we'll need. We will need a pine cone. Later we will need a base. You can use any similar shape. Here I'm using a roll of a paper tape. Then white beads. I've taken out these beads from an old neck piece. Silver metallic paint. A 3D star. If you want a video on this, you can DM or comment below. We will begin by painting the cone brown. Here I have already painted and tapped little glitters on the front of the petal. That's my way of adding glitters while coloring. If you haven't watched me doing this, then you can check out this video. Next, we will fix the base with a glue gun. Once it's done, we will color it with silver acrylic paint. Now we'll fix our beads on each petal of the cone with Fevicol, or we can use glue gun. And lastly, we will stick our 3D paper star right on the top. Here you go. This is how it will look. If you love my craft for the week, then please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and also leave a feedback below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.